Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to craft inflatable fish tail rug in Heartopia. So in this new event, the Goldfields event, Heartopia can give you many special rewards, and one of the rewards that you can get, you can craft this inflatable fish tail rug, and then to get this inflatable fish tail rug, you just need to reach level, if I'm not mistaken, level 6 at the Waterfall Canyon Explorations level. And then after you get this recipe, the recipe will be added to your workbench. And then next, so just go to the workbench and then just choose the recipe, inflatable fish tail rug, like this. And then in here you just need quality timber and then bronze. And then after that, just adjust the amount that you want to craft and then just tap on craft like this. And just like that, you will successfully making the inflatable fish tail rug. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!